Hey there, it's Jay Shaw from eXp Realty, and today let's talk about a few home buying myths that we will debunk right now. Myth number 1, a 20% down payment is not needed. The fact is that there are many loan options for people with lower down payment requirements. We have programs just as little as 1 to 3% down. Myth number 2, real estate agents are expensive. Fact, as a buyer, you won't be paying any real estate agent any money, as it comes from the seller's commission. Myth number 3 is a perfect credit is needed to buy a home. The reality is you actually don't need perfect credit. There are tons of loan options out there for people with different credit scores, so always consider looking. Myth number 4, the real estate price is a firm price. You actually don't need to pay the firm price. Real estate prices are often very negotiable, and your real estate agent can always help you with that. Myth number 5, renting is cheaper than buying. Renting is not cheaper than buying, and you could be paying less in mortgage if you were to buy a home. There you have it. Those are the common real estate myths debunked. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day.